All right, how's it going, everybody? It's about 8:30 at night. You can see out the window here. It's dark outside, and yet I'm heading out for a photo shoot. I have no idea what I'm gonna get. No idea if I'm gonna get anything at all, but I have to try. I absolutely have to try right now. And the funny thing here is it looks like it's already stopped. But for the past hour or so, here in Vegas, we've been getting hit with this weird freak snowstorm. It's been coming down for almost an hour. And granted, we're still a little bit too warm for the snow to stick, but with where my house is, it's sticking to trees, bushes, all kinds of things here. So my hope is that if I drive a little bit up toward the mountain, which should only be about a 15-20 minute drive, I'm hoping I can get there quick enough that I'll be able to catch something that I have never in my life seen, which would be a snow-covered Joshua tree. Never seen one in my life, and it's one of those things that, at least in this area, probably happens maybe once a decade that I can get this shot, especially so close to home. So, long story short, I'm heading out to the mountain right now, try and see if I can find some kind of Joshua tree shot in the dark. Wish me luck. Okay guys, so I made my first little pit stop here just along the side of the road. You can probably hear cars going, but I'm on the freeway, on the highway, I guess, outside of Vegas, on the way up to the mountain, and I saw just these awesome clouds that looked like they were on the mountain, and you've got stars peeking through, you've got the moon, so I can't really show you the scene, but I had to stop, grab a quick image of it. Hopefully it turns out. If it does, great. If not, you probably won't see any of this, but if the shot did work and you're seeing this, here's the image. Ooh. Let's see. I'm trying to figure out how I can light myself here, but okay, hopefully you guys can see me okay, but make sure that actually focuses on me. It's having a hard time out here, but I may have found my composition already. Basically right next to where I parked, there's a nice Joshua tree. Oh geez, that wind. It's got a nice layer of snow on it. There's some nice, really snow-covered yuccas right in front of it, so I can kind of take my pick. I could almost do it like, almost like using the yuccas as a foreground with the Joshua tree behind it, and then the moon up in the sky behind all of that. So I might shoot that. I might also shoot it from a little bit different angle so that I get stars behind it instead of the moon, which will probably be the better composition. I'm not really going to be able to show you much of setting it up or anything because it's just so dark. I mean, you guys can't even see behind me really, but the sky is just lit up with stars right now. It's beautiful out here, other than being freezing cold and windy. Yeah, had to show you that. I'm definitely not alone out here. These look like coyote tracks to me, so hopefully he doesn't come back. About to frame up the composition, but in order to do that, I got to turn the light off. You guys can probably hear how windy it is right now. I am freezing. Absolutely freezing. It's starting to snow again. So I got to shut the light off, frame up this composition, and get the shot taken, and get out of here and get back home to warm up. Let me know down below. Give this a thumbs up if you do like it. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Let me know. But I gotta hurry up and take this. It's cold. Whew, that is over with. I got what I wanted, I think. I got a snow-covered Joshua tree. Stars in the background. Got a couple different compositions of that, and I also got the one down along the road earlier. I'm hoping some of these came out. Thank you guys for watching. I am freezing, so I really do appreciate your time watching this. I know not the greatest production quality here, but it was very last minute. It's dark outside, but I had to share this little adventure with you guys. So again, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Take a look at the images we got tonight again. And until next time, take care.